Here's how you can clean your glass oil paint palette without any toxic paint thinners and while potentially saving the paint. This palette is an old glass picture frame that I got from the reuse center with a white paper inside. Some people prefer a mid-tone gray instead of white. I usually keep a plastic wrap on top to keep the paints wet for longer and to shield them from dust. First off, scrape off the paint with a window scraper like this or a ceramic stove scraper. You can save the paint scraps in a glass jar for possible later use. Wear gloves and cover your desk with something because this might get messy. The newer oil paint blobs weren't as dry as I thought they would be and they melted onto my gloves. The last time I did this, it went pretty fast and smoothly, whereas this time I had to press the scraper harder to get the paint off. I assume this old scraper just isn't very sharp, apart from one corner that seemed to work pretty well. But some of these paints were also very old and dry. They did get scraped off eventually, but it just happened in layers. Next, if you want to clean the final remains of paint, you can wipe the glass with vegetable cooking oil and a paint rag or paper towel that will loosen up the dried paint. Don't contaminate your cooking oil bottle with the dirty gloves though. You can even bring back the scraper. And then finally wipe it with dish soap and water. The paints I used on the palette were actually water mixable oil paints, but the same method should work for traditional oils as well. The paint scraps can maybe be turned into new oil paint by adding some solvents back. I haven't tried that yet though, so I just keep them in the glass jar for now. But how to clean your oil paint brushes without a toxic paint thinner? Watch this video next. See you there. Thanks for watching.